will now begin the meditation. Sit comfortably wherever you are. Relax your shoulders and gently close your eyes. Feel at ease with yourself and keep yourself relaxed. Now imagine that a ray of light is entering from the crown of your head where the seventh chakra, the crown chakra, is situated. Moving the light all the way down through the central energy channel parallel to the spine, down to the perineum area where the first chakra is located, the root chakra. Now imagine that your mind is beaming that light slowly down into the root, and it turns red and covers the first chakra. Take a deep breath, and as you keep your attention fixed on the point where this chakra is located, imagine that the air you inhale and exhale is also red in color. Start visualizing how the root chakra is gradually releasing all the negative, stagnant energies from the body and making way for fresh, positive flows of energy. Now, imagine this energy moving up to the second chakra, the sacral, located just below the navel area. Think of it to be an orange-colored light, pure energy. Mentally clean any blocked energy and release all the negativity, spinning it around in the orange light until it disappears. Now moving up to the third chakra, the solar plexus, roughly 3 fingers above the navel, focus there on the color yellow. Imagine that the color is growing in intensity and allow yourself to feel its strong vibrations in each part of your body. Imagine that you're able to breathe the color yellow. And imagine yourself to be filled up with this color as you feel deep inside its clarity and growing awareness, making you feel stronger and more confident. Now move up to the fourth body chakra, the heart. Breathe in very pure emerald green light and feel it entering your body. Imagine it settling down and then again expanding into your heart. Make an effort to expand this light further from your heart into your entire being. Let the light envelop you and imagine that the light is spreading all around you until you feel that you've become the green light. Now, gently take your attention up to the fifth chakra, the throat, where you can imagine the color of the sky and the sea, a beautiful blue. Feel that color as it lies within yourself. Starting from the throat, let this color spread the positive energy of truth, purity, cleanliness, and peace all around you. See this light. Feel its energy all around you. Moving up to the sixth chakra, which is also called the third eye chakra, honing in on its position between the brows. Allow the vibrations of this chakra to work in a calm but powerful color, indigo, which is also the color of wisdom, knowledge, and spirituality. Finally, we're back at the crown chakra, where you imagine the white energy spinning around the chakra point. Visualize and feel this pristine light unblocking this last chakra and making way for all the negative energies to exit your body. Keep breathing naturally and relax your body with every breath. And when you feel ready and totally relaxed, gently open your eyes.